Okay friends, find the next question. Next problem is find the Thevenin's voltage across the AB terminals in the circuit and find the internal resistance across the open circuit terminal. So ఇలా థెవెనిన్స్ థీరం యూజ్ చేసి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ ఎక్కడ ఇస్తున్నాడు, ఎక్కడ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నాడు, ఈబీ టెర్మినల్స్. సో అవర్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ది ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ ద టెర్మినల్స్ ఓన్లీ. సో మీది ఎక్కడైతే ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటారో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రిమూవ్ దట్ పార్ట్. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ రిమూవ్ ది part where we are going to find out the open circuit voltage. So if you are removing the corresponding this terminal, we can, this circuit is look like this. Okay, if you are removing the part, it can be represented as like this only, current source, right, this is the AB. Okay, so this is a 5 volts, 5 ohms, it is a 2 ampere, this current is nothing but 10 volt. So this is generally called as a VOC. It is also called as a open circuit voltage. It is also equal to VTH. Now if you are finding the VTH is equal to VOC is equal to V1 supply voltage, that is equal to 10 plus 5 into voltage drop across this resistance is equal to 5, and the current passing through the corresponding resistance is equal to 5 into 2, that gives rise to again 5 into 2, that is equal to 10 plus 10, that gives rise to 20 volts. That means open circuit voltage, or that is also equal to VTH. Okay, VTH is equal to 20 volts. Suppose if you want to find out the internal resistance, at that time first step is nothing but remove the load resistance and find out the VOC. So that is a step 1. Okay, na, I will write down here. Step 1 is nothing but remove load RL and find VOC. Okay, na. Second step number 2, that is nothing but find the RTH by replace voltage comma current sources with internal resistances. Okay, and voltage sources can be replaced with a short circuit and current source can be replaced with the open circuit. So at that time the circuit is look like, right, so voltage 5 ohms, this is the open circuit, so we have a one more resistance, so this is generally equal to RTH, so 2 ohms and 5 ohms, therefore RTH is equal to, so 5 ohms and 2 ohms resistors are connected in a series configuration, therefore 5 plus 2, that is gives rise to 7 ohms. Okay, so third step is nothing but step number 3, generate the draw the equivalent circuit. VOC is series with RTH. Okay, therefore open circuit voltage, that is also equal to VTH, series resistance of 7 ohms. So this is equal to equivalent circuit diagram for the Thevenin circuit for the given problem. Okay, so I think it is very clear, guys. We have to follow the 4 steps. First one, remove the load resistance, or where we have to find out the open circuit voltage and in RTH. After that we have to find out the open circuited voltage by using the normal traditional methods. It may be nodal analysis or it may be KVL methodologies. And third step is nothing but draw the equivalent circuit diagram in series with the RTH. Okay, VOC is in series with the RTH. Okay, so that is the main thing. Okay, thank you for watching GMK tutorials. So that is the circuit diagram for equivalent circuit diagram